Welcome back to Car Hub, the place where true car lovers stay ahead of the curve. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we bring you the hottest automotive news, the freshest leaks, and the most detailed breakdowns of the world's most anticipated machines. Today, we're diving into something absolutely extraordinary. Something that feels less like a car and more like a statement from the future. Ferrari has officially unveiled the 2026 Ferrari F80. And trust me, this isn't just another hype. This is the next chapter of performance, design, and pure Italian engineering madness. The 2026 Ferrari F80 has been teased, rumored, debated, and speculated on for years. But now it's finally here in the flesh. And what Ferrari has delivered goes beyond expectations. This machine represents Ferrari's attempt to redefine hypercar performance in a world moving toward electrification, while still preserving the brand's core DNA, raw speed, emotional design, and that unmistakable connection between driver and machine. Let's start with what grabs you instantly: the design. The F80's exterior is like something pulled straight from F1 inspiration, mixed with futuristic aero. Every panel, every curve, every intake seems engineered with a single-purpose speed. The nose tapers down into a razor-sharp point, giving the car an aggressive stance that screams precision. The ultra-slim headlights, built into aerodynamic channels, give it a sinister glare, almost like it's daring the road ahead. Ferrari says the bodywork is sculpted using next-generation computational fluid dynamics, and it shows. From the floating fenders to the dramatic rear diffuser and open aero tunnels, everything works in harmony to create unprecedented downforce while keeping drag at a minimum. Moving inside, Ferrari has taken a bold step away from traditional cabins and straight into the future. The cockpit of the 2026 F80 feels like stepping into a fighter jet. The seating position is lower, tighter, and more purposeful. The steering wheel redesign integrates nearly all controls, giving the driver full command without distractions. Instead of a cluster of screens, Ferrari uses a minimalistic, driver-focused holographic display that adjusts to your line of sight. The interior features lightweight carbon fiber, Alcantara, and exposed structural elements to remind you that every gram saved contributes to speed. Ferrari has also introduced a new adaptive seating concept, where the seat forms to your body through smart materials the moment you sit in. Now let's talk performance, because this is where things get truly wild. At the heart of the Ferrari F80 sits a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that pairs an next-generation twin-turbo V8 with advanced electric motors. Ferrari claims a combined output of around 1,300 horsepower, making it the most powerful Ferrari production hypercar ever developed. The new V8 is engineered from the ground up, lighter and more compact than previous generations, and paired with 3 electric motors, one mounted up front and 2 integrated in the rear axle. This setup transforms the F80 into an all-wheel drive missile, with instant torque and lightning-fast responsiveness. Ferrari says the F80 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 1.9 seconds, making it officially one of the quickest cars on the planet. And if that doesn't blow your mind, the top speed is expected to push beyond 400 km per hour, placing it directly in the territory of the world's fastest But straight-line speed is only part of the story. Ferrari has fitted the F80 with an entirely new intelligent traction system, torque vectoring, and an updated version of side-slip control that reads the road, your inputs, and even temperature and grip levels in real time. The battery system is lighter, fast, and optimized specifically for performance bursts rather than long-range driving. Now let's talk sound, because even though it's hybrid, Ferrari knows the emotional side of driving cannot be ignored. That iconic Ferrari scream has been re-engineered using a new acoustic resonance system that amplifies the exhaust pulses coming from the V8. The result is a new signature. Sound modern, powerful, and yet unmistakably Ferrari. It's not trying to imitate the past. It's defining a new era of hypercar sound. When it comes to handling, Ferrari has pushed boundaries again. The F80's chassis is built on an entirely new carbon fiber monocoque with aerospace-grade materials, increasing rigidity by nearly 20% while reducing weight. The new suspension system features adaptive, magnetic dampers with predictive algorithms that adjust before the car even reaches the corner. Combine that with sticky next-generation Pirelli tires and advanced aerodynamics, and what you get is a hypercar that doesn't just rely on power, but on precision, balance, and driving feel. Ferrari is also introducing new driving modes in the F80, including an all-new track, Evo mode, that optimizes electric boost deployment for maximum lap performance. There's also a pure electric mode for silent city driving or late-night cruising, though let's be honest, owners probably won't be using that often. And then we come to the price and exclusivity. As expected, the F80 will be extremely limited. Ferrari is only producing a very small number of units, each tailored to the buyer with exclusive customization options through Ferrari's tailor-made program. The estimated price starts well into the multi-million-dollar range, making this a hypercar only a few will ever see, let alone own. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a car. It's Ferrari's vision of what the future of performance looks like, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, power and responsibility, emotion and technology. Whether you're fascinated by its engineering, obsessed with its design, or simply thrilled by the idea of a new hypercar era, the F80 proves Ferrari is still at the top of the game. Thanks for watching. Car Hub. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari F80, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exclusive review. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive content. And as always, keep your engines ready because the future of speed is just getting started.